experiment, we have a couple different masses. This mass is going to be called the hanging mass. It is 9.72 grams, 9.72. This mass, the glider, is 210.0, 210.0. So you got these masses. The legs of this apparatus are exactly, well, 100.0 centimeters apart. And then we're going to get the height of this block that I used here. The ruler stinks, but just kind of estimate it with error. Is that better?
Yeah, perfect.
Just estimate from there. Hopefully you can get some sig figs. Okay? So from all that information, you should be able to figure out the angle. You should then be able to figure out the acceleration in theory. Okay, so that's going to be your theoretical acceleration. Now we're actually going to use this pulley to record the velocity versus time data and get acceleration from that. So let's run that. Give me a second. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, there's that. Now, I'm just going to get the first few data points. I'm not going to use all of them here. Actually, I can use all of them. So I hit stop on the machine before it hit there, so we should have good data here. There we go. And so from this information, it looks a little bit funny, I guess, but whatever, I don't want to deal with this. So what this is again, here's the time in seconds, and so here's the velocity in meters per second, and here's the trend line of that data. So it doesn't matter if it looks a little bit weird, I can tell this seems all right. So hopefully from that you could get an experimental value of acceleration to compare to the theoretical from all the masses and angles and such. That's it.